So, hey guys, today we are going to be making slime. So first, for the slime video, you will be needing some flour and a water. So let's get started. So now you want to open your flour and take take it, and I'm just going to make a little ball. Sound good. A little ball. So I'm gonna have this much put in my bowl. Now you're gonna need some water, and you're just gonna pour a little bit of the water inside of it, not too much. And then you're just gonna mix it around and stuff until it starts getting slimy. Now you can add more flour if you would like. If you don't think that it's coming out good, you take it and you mix it up. It's really cool, but also remember something. This can get a little crazy on your fingers. So, yeah. Anyways, let's start playing. After you are done playing with it, you can put it in the fridge for a little while. And then after you put it in the fridge keep it in for a good hour. And then after that hour, take it out of the fridge, or an hour and a half out the fridge, and start playing with it until it gets rough. So peace out, guys. I hope you like this video, and bye.